Nephila, or spider orb, is a genus of araneomorph spiders noted for the impressive webs they weave. They are of numerous species found in warmer regions around the world. They are commonly called golden silk orb weavers, golden orb weavers, giant wood spiders, or banana spiders. Is golden orb weaver spider poisonous? Its venom is potent but not lethal to humans. The bite causes local pain, redness, and blisters that normally disappear within a 24-hour interval. Orb weavers are beneficial to humans, for they consume pests like mosquitoes and beetles. Orb weavers are very docile, non aggressive spiders that will flee at the first sign of a threat. They are not dangerous to people and pets, and are actually quite beneficial because they will catch and eat a lot of pest type insects.